Proġett li ilu għaddej għal dawn l-aħħar 7 snin u li dwaru tkellimna ma' Adil Muhammad Ahmed, persuna li kienet involuta mill-qrib f'dan il-proġett anki permezz tal-għaqda SOS Malta.
As you can see here, work is going on. These are ladies, mainly they are Somali ladies, Somali girls. So they are using machines, they are working, they are doing handcrafts. This work is organized by an organization which is called SOS Malta. And I was working for them as an interpreter and using this work. So that was my role, and we have been working around 4 months doing this kind of work. Before we started teaching them first their base, like teaching them English language, like teaching them business, giving some ideas that when they start working, that they can communicate very good with the people, with the community.
Wara x-xogħol jiġi d-divertiment fejn l-immigranti u r-refuġjati jistgħu jmorru jqattaw xi sigħat fl-internet cafe.
The main purpose of this part for the internet is that the young men that they can come here, whether women, girls, you see the difference of the. So they can come here, they can use the internet, also they can get the service of printing, something like this. So coming from the work of that, then it is the entertainment and to the fun, you know, because in Halfar here before we didn't have internet cave. So that was the aim which is opened here.
Parti importanti f'dan il-kumpless il-ġdid f'Halfar hija l-klinika li tipprovdi kura u servizzi mediċi lill-immigranti u refuġjati.
Yeah, and MSF gives people medical. We help people for medical activities. We help them to give them medicines. If you don't have the medicines here, we write them prescriptions so they can go to local pharmacy or Floriana pharmacy to collect their medicines from there. Here there are some MSF doctors and nurses also, and we come here once a week. Wednesdays we are here, but the other 4 days of the week we work different places like Mater Day, Floriana, and some close centers like Tikandia.
Preżenti f'pajjiżna li ta' dan il-kumpless kien hawn il-ġeneral tal-Franġiskani Jose Carballo, mibgħut mill-Vatikan li flimkien ma' Patri Dioniso Mintov, direttur tal-Laboratorju tal-Paċi, żaru ltaqgħu ma' migranti u refuġjati li diġà bdew jagħmlu użu mill-faċilitajiet provduti.